Catbird is literally your average platformer. Very easy at the start, but can get very challenging later on. This game, however, is very satisfying when you beat the levels. It feels like you've accomplished something. There's also achievements in this game for Game Center and I also believe for Google Play. There is also no internet required. The key point of the game is to fly across obstacles so you don't die. Sounds like a very easy thing to do, but if you're going to try to 100% the game and get the crowns, then it's going to be very hard. Also, the obstacles can get harder later. Overall, this game is very fun and I haven't really spotted any flaws. Of course, this game isn't perfect. Some of the difficulty is pretty hard later on and can be impossible at times. But that's all fine. A game's gotta have difficulty. Anyways, thanks guys for watching this video. This is the last video of Season 1 of the review series. Season 2 will happen soon, maybe. And yeah, school's coming up, so I might not be able to upload that much. But hopefully I will. And yeah, hopefully I'll be able to make another review. Bye. Try not to sound cringy right now. Bye.